Hi, I'm Tom Wallenberger, and I'm the CEO and founder at Oasis. Since the lockdown, we've been trying incredibly hard to pivot in any way we can using the knowledge base that we've acquired in ag tech, and we believe we've come up with the perfect sterilization solution for homes, businesses, and all kinds of situations in the Santa Cruz area. There's a whole lot of things in all of our lives that we're touching constantly, whether it's our phones, our shoes, door handles, or any number of appliances that we're using all day, every day. There's an incredibly high need to sterilize these high-touch surfaces in a time when the spread of a virus or a pathogen can cause so much damage so quickly. Using your CleanFuture Wand is super simple. All you gotta do is plug it in using a 20-foot cord for ultra portability. You can turn the switch to turn it right on, and then simply point the wand directly at the surface that you're trying to sterilize using the handle to hold it in front of you. We don't see UV technology as a specifically COVID-19 related solution. Of course, the timing for COVID has been essentially the reason for our pivot into UV, but we find the applicability and the use cases for UVC sterilization to be far-reaching and go far beyond anything specific to any disease. We're just about a week away from all the final design iterations and packaging changes that we'll make before we start shipping units. With that being said, you can already pre-order a wand on our website, www.aeroasis.com, and you can check out more information on our website, on our social media, and in various local newspapers.